Good morning, this is Jack from Charlton Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Wednesday, the 30th of April. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right. One of the reasons, apart from the fact it really doesn't look finished, that I'm thinking that equities goes up higher is because really here, on Bitcoin, it looks as though it's going to go higher. We've seen a nice move up. We're over all the ribbons moving averages, and we've got these very nice looking double bottom targets. And at the moment, I'm not seeing any reason to think these aren't going to make target. So we've got those targets here at 101.5 and 103.8 on Bitcoin, and this looks like a consolidation before this goes higher. We could see a little lower. We're not seeing much reaction to the fall in equities this morning. But I'm expecting this to go higher. I am thinking that at some point this is going to get this is going to start being a flight to safety destination. Not seeing any strong indications that's happening yet, but we will see. Looking at Solana, we could set up some negative divergence here, but not on the daily RSI 5 anymore. This has gone down too much, which is good, because I don't want to see a daily RSI 5 sell signal here. We've seen a bit of a retrace here. Looks like a bull flag, and to the upside, we've still got these targets up here in the, really, 50% retracement at 195, possible fail area down in the 180 to 185 area when we hit the 200 DMA and this smaller target. But I think, could this be forming an alternate head and shoulders? Not unless this went down considerably lower. And at the moment, I'm not seeing any obvious sign that that might happen. Looking at Ethereum, we've got a weak RSI 5 sell signal fixed on the daily. We're struggling here at the 50 DMA. To be honest, Ethereum doesn't really look the same as the others, and we haven't seen the same rally as we've seen on the others either. Could this just be a fairly shallow bear flag? It could potentially, but I'm really leaning towards this going a bit higher as well. We will see. And it's only a weak RSI 5 sell signal on the daily. It's not something. If we went up, made another higher high on negative divergence, at that stage I'd be taking it more seriously. So I'm leaning towards higher across the board, and that's still looking pretty good. And I'm not seeing anything really suggesting that it's not going to continue higher to those targets. We shall see. All right, great. Let's have a look at questions. I don't know, maybe, Doug. They might have changed it. Doug was just asking whether some chat only gets turned on with the recording. They might have changed it. They're always making little changes. Some of these cause issues for a while. So in the name of continuous improvement, I suppose. Yeah, I've wondered that too, and that may be right. All right, brilliant. In that case, my pleasure as always, and I will catch you guys tomorrow morning. All right, take care.